Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well. Hello to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for the feedback on my last few videos. I did do a reaction to the songs from the movie ENCANTO, and you guys highly recommended the movie. So for today, I will be watching it, and I hope you guys can tag along with me to the end because that's when I'll make my comments in regards to it. So without further ado, let's get into it right now.
This candle holds the miracle given to our family.
How did we get a miracle?
Long ago,
That girl is so cute.
had just been born. Lo Pedro and I were forced to flee.
Oh no. Why?
We were given a miracle.
Ooh.
The candle became a magical flame that could never go out.
That's
And
amazing.
it blessed us with a gift.
What?
And when their children came of age,
They got magic too.
that
They all got access to magic?
our family's gifts have made our new home a paradise. This candle will give you your gift.
Aww. They get the gift pretty early in age then. So they just open the door and then it gets revealed what their magic is? Anything that involves magic, I automatically love a movie like that. Because you guys know I'm obsessed with Harry Potter, so. If only life were like that.
Hello.
Hey, what did you get as your gift? I wanna know.
The ceremony is tonight.
What's his gift?
We're gonna find out.
What's your gift? Who's asking?
I'm the kids.
Not us. I can't just talk about myself.
And be a perfect consolation.
Ooh, she had nice hair.
Gets to shine. Whoa. Let's be clear up while I run.
Oh, she's still alive? Nice.
Oh my gosh, it's them! What are they doing?
I love those kids.
Physically impossible to relax. Everything. What are your powers?
Yeah, tell us.
And that's why coffee's for grown-ups.
Future. One day he just. Whoa! The truth is she can heal you with a me.
Ooh, that's a sick gift.
Wait, who's a sister and who's a cousin? There's so many people. How do you keep them all straight? Okay.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed with those kids.
So let's turn the sound up. Familymadrigal.
Adios.
But what's your gift?
Yeah, what's your gift?
Just asking about the family
She
and...
was about to tell us about her super awesome gift.
Oh, Mirabel didn't get one.
No, she didn't get one?
You didn't get a gift?
Mirabel! Delivery!
What?
I gave you the special since you're the only
Why
one
didn't
who
she
got
get
given
one?
no gift. I call it up the wagon.
Maybe your gift is being in denial.
I can't believe she said that.
Thank you.
Oh, it's nothing. A little sisterly advice. If you weren't always trying too hard, you wouldn't be in the way.
Oh,
This is called helping.
that was rude.
In the way you are.
She's right, amor. First gift ceremony since yours.
Did he get an allergic reaction or something? Oh, it's a bee stings.
1 hour.
Oh no.
Maybe you should leave the decorations to someone else
She can take care of decorations.
to step aside. Let the rest of the family do what they
I don't like that.
okay?
Okay, grandma was cool, but I don't agree with that.
What? Oh.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
What if it doesn't work?
And his voice is 10 times more cuter. Stop.
I wish you could have a door.
Oh. Stop.
About me. Because I have an amazing family. I know you're an animal guy. And I made it.
Oh, she handmade it.
You always have something to snuggle with.
Aww. I love her character. Wow. Ooh. They're having good food tonight. Oh, those stairs.
Serve this beloved
Why is she standing behind the curtain?
with
Oh my god, the kid's outfit. The brick's telling him to go. No.
I can't.
Stop. You guys, I'm so sensitive to like little things when I get attached to movies, and that kid's gonna make me cry, I swear.
Let's get you to your door.
Oh, my heart is melting. Did they have to add a flashback? That's so sad. Don't do it again, please. They did it again. Stop. You guys, I don't like that. It makes me feel so sad for her. Look at her. She's so excited to get to her door and open it. The door just faded away. She didn't get a chance to open it. Is he able to talk to animals? No way.
Understand you.
That's an amazing gift. He got such a good gift, especially since he loves animals. Oh, so when they open that door, it becomes like a room then? And it extends to town? I love those kids. Oh, I'm so happy for him.
need a picture.
Everyone, come.
She better be in that picture. I swear to God.
Perfect.
Excuse me, I don't see her in the picture. Oh my god, did no one invite her to come in the picture? Why did that happen? Oh. Ouch. What's going on? Why is this happening? I wonder what happened. I'm so confused. His dancer. Imagine. I knew it. I had a feeling it was going to disappear. They're not going to believe her.
The house was in trouble. The candle was.
Ugh, that sister can shove off.
And so are the drinks. Please, music.
Grandma's not the coolest anymore. So everyone's just gonna ignore her and not ask her any more detail? I wonder why that happened though. Like, was she seeing something like further into the future before it was gonna happen? That's my theory.
Family knew how vulnerable we truly are.
So she did believe her?
He's dying.
How are you gonna save the miracle though?
Wait. How do I save a miracle?
That's my question.
It's wonderful new.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
Warm up your seat.
Thank you, Toñito. I'm sure today we'll find a way for granted. So today we will work.
What does she know?
Stop.
Luisa, hey.
What does Louisa know that she's not saying?
I'm totally not nervous.
You guys, I reacted to the song in my other video if you want to check it out. Aww.
I think you're carrying way too much.
Oh, she just needed a hug.
Last night, when you saw the cracks, I felt weak.
Oh, yeah, that's a big red flag there.
Wait, what do you mean?
That place is off limits for...
I hate when people talk in riddles. Just tell me straight up, like, what am I supposed to do?
Perfect.
So good for you.
Save the mirror.
That's deep.
Oh, hello. A lot of stairs. But at least I'll have a friend. Nope. Get so high cause we're magic, but no. Magical all my stairs fit in here.
Bruno, your room is the worst!
Yeah, his room sucks. That was a lot of stairs. What? How's she gonna get across? Oh, she did it. That was not good. Bird. You can totally tell he's giving a cut eye. I'm obsessed with cute things, and that bird is flipping cute. Oh my god, stop. He ditched her? Oh my god. What is that? It's like that vision thing was broken on purpose. Why though? Oh. What? Is there a reason why she didn't get her gift then? One more. Go, 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 go. Oh.
Oh, baby, you need to know.
Don't talk about Bruno.
He would see some.
I also did a reaction to this song. If you want to check it out on my channel.
Why did I talk about Bruno?
Oh. That's not good.
Got your party pants on?
Did the dad see it? Did he see the whole thing?
Broke into Bruno's tower. I found his last vision. The family's in trouble. The magic is dying. The house is breaking. Luis's gift is fading, and I think it's all because of me.
Me?
We say nothing. Abuela wants tonight to be perfect.
I love the dad.
Bruno's tower, the magic is not dying. No one has to know.
She heard everything.
I know.
Horrible disaster.
Oh, she wants to spill the beans so bad.
Salud.
She's like, don't you do it. Why are the animals doing that? No! Snitch. Everyone's a snitch. Why is everyone staring at her? It's not like it's her fault.
There's gotta be an explanation.
I hate you!
I hate you more.
What did you do?
What? Why are they going behind the painting? Oh, it's Bruno. How is she gonna get over that though? No, she's gonna jump? Oh. Bruno better come back and help her.
You're very sweaty.
Oh my god. Oh. So much just happened. Oh, what the heck?
No one was.
But
A little salt.
Right in her face.
Oh, no. I'm too scared to go near those things. All the patching's done by Hernando.
Who's that?
And I'm scared of nothing. Actually, me. I used to say my real.
Oh, I really like Bruno.
How long have you been back here?
Oh my god. I'm obsessed with Bruno.
Never left.
Oh, he never left.
I left my tower, which was, you know, a lot
He's been living here the whole time?
free entertainment.
With the rats?
So what do you like? What do you like? You like sports?
That is freaking adorable. That's sad. So he sees the family having dinner every night while he's in there alone. You guys. That made me so sad.
I just don't know how to.
Oh,
Well, anyway, I think you should go because
I didn't like that. He's all alone.
I had this vision the night that you didn't get your gift.
Oh, there's a connection.
Worried about the magic, so what everyone would think because I'm Bruno and everyone always assumes the worst. So
Ugh. That sucks. That's why he left then.
You left.
Basically, yeah, he did.
I could have seen more.
Bruno's not a bad guy. It's not fair he got judged.
Wrecked my vision cave, which is a problem because I need a big open space.
We'll find one.
Where?
Use my room. The rats told me everything. Don't eat those.
Our family.
So everyone I'm obsessed with is like in one room right now. The kid, Bruno, the rats even. Oh my god.
Second, you saw the vision. Think of the family.
I was thinking of my daughter.
Exactly.
You've always been too hard on Mirabel.
Thank you. Finally telling Grandma what's like the real truth around
Our
here.
Encanto. We cannot lose our home.
You can do this.
Aww. He gave him his favorite toy.
Nerves.
I can do that.
I love how that animal's just chilling there with them. Why is this happening though? Why is she in the vision?
There was something else.
Over there.
Hey, that butterfly?
Follow the butterfly with you, and you fighter.
Am I biting or hugging?
I'm pretty sure it's hugging.
I got it.
Her sister? Why does she have to hug her sister?
Your sister. That's great.
Why would embracing Isabella do anything?
I don't know.
I don't know.
A family miracle. You hug a sister. Come visit.
After I saved Miracle, I'm bringing you home.
Yeah.
Knock, 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 knock.
Save the Miracle. With a hug.
With a hug.
Isa!
Be a better sister? Apologize.
Shut up. God, she's so annoying.
Go on.
Hurry. That your life is Wait, don't marry that big dumb honk!
I never wanted to marry him. I was doing it for the family.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, get over here. Isa.
She's shocked that a cactus came out. Okay, so they're bonding. That's good. The candle. It's getting better.
Look at our home. Look at your sister.
Please, just...
Grandma needs to calm down.
Of course she's unhappy. You
That's why I'm in the vision.
Yeah.
have to stop, Mirabel.
Oh my gosh, she is triggering me so much. Listen to your granddaughter.
Gift, but it is not an excuse for you to hurt this family.
What the heck? She's doing the opposite. Now you brought all the cracks back. She needs to speak and tell Grandma straight up.
Bruno left our family because you only saw the worst.
Bruno didn't care about
What are you talking about?
Loves this family. I love this family. The miracle is dying because of
Ooh. Harsh reality, but yeah. Oh my god, I'm so stressed out. Oh, the candle's burnt out.
Here, let me help you. Let me help you.
How does this happen? Because it's Grandma's fault. No one dare blame Mirabelle, okay? Okay, I guess Grandma found her first. The butterfly. Oh no.
So sorry. You never hurt our family, Mirabel. Because of me.
Okay, I'm not mad at Grandma anymore. The butterfly.
I asked my Pedro for help.
Yeah, she was there. She heard you.
Mirabel. He sent me you.
Don't cry.
2 hours later.
Whoa! She didn't do this! I gave... I was like, no! And she was like,
Oh my god, Bruno.
I don't care what you think of me. But if you're too stubborn to
Oh.
Brunito.
Ay, mi amor, I was so worried. We couldn't find you.
There were bees.
Oh, poor dad. Oh, the magic. Ooh, I just got chills.
Hola, casita.
There we go. That's the family picture now. It's all done. I loved it. It was so good. Hi guys, welcome back. The movie is all done and I absolutely loved it. Some parts had me laughing so much. There's some characters I absolutely fell in love with, especially Antonio. Oh my god, that kid is so cute. And we know Mirabelle, it was like the best character in the movie, even though I know she was the main character. But knowing in the end what her real gift was, it just made me cry. And other parts made me cry too. It was like an emotional roller coaster, but I'm so glad I watched it. Thank you so much for the recommendation, guys. Please let me know in the comment section any other suggestions of what I should watch next. Or maybe you guys can tell me your favorite part of the movie. Anything movie related, I'm gonna read it because I always read the comments. And if you guys can give me a like, a comment, subscribe, I would really appreciate that. And until next time then, bye.